Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on vivid screen mode in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So, to turn on vivid screen colors mode, we have to go to settings, then under display we have our screen mode. We have now natural. Let's change it to vivid one. I hope the color change is visible on your screen. Also, we can change balance, white balance here if we want to, and other settings as well. Let's leave it as by default white and our vivid here. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.